Humans have coexisted with infectious diseases and other kinds of diseases since time immemorial. However, while we in the modern era tend to think of disease as a biological or medical phenomenon, early human societies viewed disease as something that could result from moral failings just as easily as it could result from unclean water, spoiled food, or bad air, which was known as the miasma theory. In many cases, these early human communities would turn to divine causation to explain the occurrence of diseases, whether on an individual or a societal level. It wasn't until the 19th century, with the advent of scientific medicine, that medical professionals began to view disease as having purely rational biological causes. The discovery of bacteria and viruses in the late 19th and early 20th centuries led to more and more medical developments that benefited society as a whole. But these advances didn't totally eliminate explanations of disease that grew out of beliefs in moral failings or a lack of biological fitness. The 20th century in particular was a period in which, even in medically advanced societies, disease might be blamed on a person's race, gender, sexual identity, or their mental abilities or fitness. Recently, we've seen examples of this with the COVID-19 outbreak, where some people are willing to accept scientific explanations, whereas others are drawn to more conspiratorial explanations. In this class, we'll examine early descriptions of disease and epidemiology, as well as accounts of specific diseases that afflicted ancient and medieval civilizations. And we'll also examine the advances that were made in medicine in the 19th century and onward, as well as the constructs that continue to shape how the general public views disease and afflicted individuals.